Irkut Corporation, Yakovlev Design Bureau, and United Aircraft Corporation present the next generation MC-21 airliner family. The MC-21 airliners are designated for short and medium-range passenger transportation on both domestic and international routes. The MC-21 airliner family is comprised of MC-21-200, 300, and 400 versions featuring a high level of unification. MC-21-300 features an extended fuselage while maintaining wing and engines of the base model MC-21-200 airliner. The MC-21-400 version, along with an extended fuselage, features an increased wing area and higher thrust engines than the base model. 3 economy class airliners of the MC-21 family seat 150, 180, and 220 passengers respectively. Other arrangements of the passenger cabins are also envisioned. Market share of airliners of these dimensions and capacities comprises the exceptionally competitive 50% segment of the world passenger air fleet. The competitiveness of the MC-21 family at the domestic and international markets of the new generation passenger airliners is ensured by the following innovative features: up-to-date construction materials, enhanced aerodynamics, advanced engines, leading-edge avionics. Due to these innovative solutions, the next-generation airliners of the MC-21 family feature low cash operating costs, high efficiency, enhanced passenger and environmental safety, along with the world's highest comfort level in this class of passenger carriers. In the development of the MC-21 new generation airliner, we employ the most advanced leading-edge technologies. The MC-21 design features a well-balanced mix of advanced aluminum alloys and composite materials. This results in a reduction of takeoff weight while maintaining a high degree of reliability at a relatively low cost. Aircraft aerodynamics is fundamentally enhanced due to the composite high aspect ratio wing with supercritical airfoil of the new generation. Such a wing ensures increased aerodynamic characteristics of the aircraft, resulting in a reduction in fuel consumption. 2 state-of-the-art, highly reliable 5th-generation turbofan engines ensure a 20% fuel economy in comparison with the engines of the previous generation. These engines also provide 15 decibel reduction of terrain noise to comply with ICAO Chapter 4, as well as a cut in atmospheric emissions, thus ensuring compliance with prospective environmental standards. While developing the MC-21 passenger cabin, we paid especially close attention to passenger comfort and expediting aircraft boarding. The widened aisle enables quick and unhampered access to the passenger cabin. Overhead stowage bins with increased volume allow for quicker and easier stowage of carry-on luggage. Passengers feel the ultimate comfort in our new ergonomic seats. While creating the MC-21 family, the following design solutions were envisioned to enhance passenger comfort: widened aisle to ease boarding, overhead stowage bins of increased volume for convenient hand luggage placement, widened seats for better passenger accommodation. All MC-21 onboard systems are unified into a joint integrated complex. The crew is provided with all necessary information about the onboard system's condition in real time, thus enhancing flight safety and reducing total ground time. The aircraft can be operated from any code 4C airfield, according to ICAO classification. An optional 4-wheel undercarriage enables takeoff and landing on airfields with lower density runway pavement. Advanced after-sale technical support based on the integrated logistics support concept ensures regular flight operation well within the designated safety requirements at minimized cost to the end users. The entire set of employed technical innovations results in reduction of the cash operating costs by 12 to 15% in comparison with any best existing counterparts. The airliners of the MC-21 family will be built at the Irkutsk Aviation Plant, the major industrial facility of the Irkut Corporation. Being authorized with the European Certificate for Design, Manufacturing and After-Sales Support of Civil Aircraft, this plant performs full-cycle production of various aviation products.
So, welcome aboard, ladies and gentlemen. The entire passenger cabin is designed with only one goal in mind: the maximum comfort of the passengers. It is comfortable to board the plane, comfortable to handle in-cabin luggage, and surely comfortable to fly. Convenient boarding of passengers is ensured by a wide aisle and increased personal space for each passenger. The widened aisle also provides luggage handling on the overhead stowage bins without blocking the pathway for other passengers during boarding. Now the long flight is not exhausting for you. We are taking special care of your comfort. Leading-edge ergonomic seats provide a high comfort level for passengers during the flight. Each overhead stowage bin accommodates up to 4 standard bags, leaving sufficient space for coats and ordinary carry-on luggage. The inform and control field of the crew cabin is designed around a series of widescreen, multifunctional LCDs. Efficient distribution of flight management and control functions between the crew members and automated onboard systems reduces crew workload, thus enhancing flight safety. The widened aisle also allows free passage along the passenger cabin, even during passenger service. The cabin can be fitted with up-to-date multimedia systems, providing comfortable entertainment options for passengers during the flight. Cabin lights are adjusted by color and intensity according to the light and weather conditions. State-of-the-art triple-zone air conditioning system maintains humidity and air pressure at a level more comfortable for passengers as compared to the MC-21's contemporaries. The digital fly-by-wire flight control system, featuring multiple redundancy, automatically restrains the aircraft from erratic flight patterns, as well as counteracts air distortions while flying in atmospheric turbulences. The flight control system also ensures automatic landing through to touchdown. An optionally installed head-up display system facilitates flying aircraft in harsh weather. All MC-21 aircraft provide a comfortable and pleasant journey for passengers.